Hello everyone, my name is Dhyanshi. We are doing an amazing conversation among us, so let's begin. Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Sunabab Das. What's your name?
My name is Dhyanshi. Where are you from?
I am from Agartala. How about you?
I am also from Agartala. What do you do?
I am a student. How about you?
I am also a student. Where do you live?
I live in Agartala. How about you?
I also live in Agartala. What's your phone number?
My phone number is XYZ. What's your phone number?
My phone number. Actually, I don't have any phone number. How old are you?
I am 10 years old. How old are you?
I am also 10 years old. When's your birthday?
My birthday is on 8th of May. When's your birthday?
My birthday is on 12th of June. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't have any brothers or sisters. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't have any. Where's the cafe?
The cafe is between the bookstore and the library. What is the cafe?
The cafe is next to the post office. Is there any cafe around here?
No, there is a... Yes, there is a big cafe around there. Is there a cafe around there?
Yes, there is a big cafe around the shopping mall.